Hi guys, now I'm going to show you how to resolve the problem if you don't have sound in your MindsEye. So if you don't have sounds, so the first thing we can do is just to open our settings and in settings check up all sounds settings. To do that, just run the game, click escape button, then click settings, find here audio, and here you can find your master volume, sometimes with different hotkeys that you can't manage in your game settings just because it's managed by your graphic card driver. You can just mute your master volume. Okay, sometimes I don't know why, but sometimes it just happens, and you just can change it, and in this way you will solve your sound problem. But of course this problem is very rarely happens, but sometimes you can have a problem that, for example, some pop-up window shows in your on your corner. For example, you clicked it and you just switch to the hidden mode on your just browser, so you minimized your window, and after you returned to the game again, you just have no sound. This is very common issue, so your Windows just not capturing sounds again in your game. It means that you just should restart your Windows, restart your system. Sometimes we should do that. Okay, and of course sometimes we have problems with the drivers, so try to reinstall DirectX. So just remove all DirectX drivers and install new again. If problem wasn't in drivers, so you can reinstall the game. How to do that? To lose your files and saves. To do that, just open library in your Steam account, find your MindsEye game, click on the settings button, then click manage, backup game files, browse, and here just select the main folder, for example, for MindsEye, and install here. So just in documents, I suggest to do it just in documents, and click select folder to backup it here. As you can see, I have backup here. I made it several minutes ago, and that's it, and click create a backup. And after a while you will have the backup, then you can just uninstall the game and install it again. In this way you will reinstall the game. Afterwards you can move your game files to your game folder, and you will have all your saves, progress, and other game files inside your game. And if problem was in game files, it will be resolved. Of course, before it you can click properties and find your installed files and click verify integrity of game files. Sometimes it helps with sound problems, but basically it's for problems when game is not open, and something about it for more deeper problems. Okay, but sometimes problem not with the game, not with the drivers, and not with the game settings. Sometimes it's just with your computer. Sometimes you can accidentally switch the sound output to strange one, for example, I don't know, to different one, and because of it you can just lose your sound output. Sometimes you just should check out is other application does other application have sound or no, is not. If not, so you just should resolve your sound issues on Windows level. So that's it, guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, so leave me a like and comment below if this video wasn't helpful. So just just write in comments what helps you to resolve the problem. Just use this video like a mini forum to share your problems and wait for resolve. Thanks for watching. Bye.